Hi friends, today we are going to see a review on this charcoal nose strips. How it works, we'll see. This is the charcoal pore strips for nose. It contains 6 strips. It costs around $6. And this for some packs they have given 2 additional strips as free. So today we are going to see whether it works or not. If you open this pack, we'll have these kind of 8 packs. According to their instructions, first we have to take it from this pack and wash our face and make sure our skin is wet so that it sticks to our skin. And we have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so that we can feel that hardness of the strip. Then we have to start it removing towards the center. So let us check it out. This is the pack. Just I have washed my face. This is the strip. It's black. Since they are saying it contains charcoal, it looks like this. Now what I am doing is, the damn hot towel, I'm just making my nose wet. Then I'm opening this. Placing it on my nose. You have to make sure it won't contain any air bubble. Yes, it's done. We'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then check it out. Yes, it's almost 15 minutes. We'll remove it. I'm just opening at one end and taking it towards the center. Oh my god. It has removed a lot of whiteheads which I have. Hope you can see it. I liked it. I liked it. It's working. I can give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up and give a comment. Try it. Give a comment there. Okay.